Welcome back again. In today's video, we'll see how we can change our ringtone or notification sound of in iOS 18. There's still lots of people asking for that, so I thought I should make the video. So it's very easy and very simple and the beginner steps. So just go into the settings. So just when you scroll down, there is a second set of this thing, and then you'll find there is a third set of the tab. So you need to go into the sound and haptics. So here's the first thing. Look at this. The first one is a ringtone. So it's just very easy. You can just click whatever you like, just click on it, and this arrow shows me this is selection. So you can just select this one, and if you want some special, you can go to the store and buy, or you can download from there too. And you can just classify those things. You can make separate the notification sound for the text messaging, like this one. See, and it says a new mail, sent mail, etc. So they have a different kind of notification sound. You can select one of them, whatever you like. So that was the very beginner and easy step to how you can change the ringtone. If you have any question related to that, if you want to learn something in the cell phone setting or tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments, and see you in the next video.